this is Dr. Rabbit here. I'm playing White Noise Online, and he keeps moving closer to me every time I turn around. Holy shit. Ah! Oh, he's got a derpy face. Hello, Bob! Wow, look at him. His head shakes when you look at him. It's kind of derpy. Dun 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 dun. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm playing with CM Pro again. Ah, this is awkward. Fuck it, I'm running. I'm not screaming like. I'm just gonna check. In a minute. I don't know where this guy has gone, but I'm scared. Oh, he just left us. Okay, I'm going. I can't go because he's not there. Go away, Luke. You're watching your YouTube and sitting on my bed. Fuck off, you 7-year-old twat. Go away, Lou. Well, I'm watching and listening. Watching you and listening. Hi, Bob. I only want to look at his finger without dying. Okay. I feel pretty, I feel witty, I feel something and strong. Brr, brr, brr. You have beautiful feet. No! I have nothing to live for now. Hello, Bob. That's a nice penis you got there. Okay, guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. You disconnect.